We all know that chickpea powder has been used for glowing skin for years. It is very useful to treat tanning. It also treats little bumps on the face and improves your skin texture. This DIY tan removal face mask will help you get rid of suntan and dull complexion. It will hydrate your skin and give it a natural glow. The ingredients you need to prepare this face mask are 2 tablespoons of chickpea powder, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 pinch of turmeric powder, few drops of lemon juice. Mix them well to get a homogeneous paste. Apply it to your face for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off your face and apply moisturizer. You will notice instant brightness on your face. For better results, use this mask twice a week.